Guys, today we have come to a problem, another problem. It's a very easy problem. C++ program. C++ is a very easy language. I am doing the loops, then I will go to various problems in arrays. After that, strings I will do, functions, pointers. I will do many problems. So first I'm starting from the loops because these are the easiest. So today's problem is C++ program to print the fast in Fibonacci numbers. What is Fibonacci numbers or Fibonacci series? It is a series where 0 and 1 is default given. After that we need to find the series, and the series number will be the sum of previous two numbers. Okay, so Fibonacci series. Here 0 and 1 is default given. After that we need to find the numbers. The numbers will be what? The sum of previous two. So this after that here is 1 because 0 plus 1 is 1. After that we need to find, so this become the previous, this become the previous, so this and this. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, then it's a 2, then 2 and plus 1 it becomes 3, 3 plus 2 it's become 5, 5 plus 3 it will become 8, 8 plus 5 will become 13, 13 plus 8 will become 21, like this will go on. So what is Fibonacci series? It is the sum of previous two numbers. Previous two numbers. OS. Now if we search it in Google, we will find Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. See, the Fibonacci sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 13, 21. 3 is obtained by adding the third and the fourth term and so on. So it is previous two term sums. What is the use of Fibonacci series? Fibonacci levels are used as guides, possible areas where a trade could develop. So it is used in the trading lines. So Fibonacci, and the main thing is what? It is sum of two previous number. Okay, sum of previous two numbers. How we will find it? Very easy. We need to find sum of previous two numbers. Suppose I take n is the number of terms. I need to find n is the number of terms. Okay, 0 and 1 is default. So t0 term I take as 0. T first term I take as 1. These are default. Okay, these are default. Okay, next I will another take an integer that is sum, that will do what? T0 plus T1 term. This is the sum of two previous term. Okay, so main thing is what? T0 0, T1 1, 0 term 0, first term 1, sum will do sum, and we will repeat this. We will what? Repeat this. This repeat will be done in the form of loops. Okay, until the number of terms, until n. Okay, so how we will do this? First we will take for loop integer I, the value is 1. I will go up till the number of terms n as inputted by the user. I will increment plus plus, then it will do, first it will take the sum of two previous number, that is t0th term plus t1th term. It will print sum t0 term. Okay, t0 plus 1, so t0, then it will the previous terms. Okay, then what we will do, the t0 term will be taken by t of 1 at term, and t1 at term will be the sum. This will be the end of the loop. So I think you have not understood this one. What I have done here, I will explain to you. See, I will explain. Suppose here you will see 0 1. 0 1 is default. Suppose I need to get 5 terms, 1 2 3 4 5 up to here. I need to find out. Okay, I have to find out till here. So 0 and 1 is given. So first, what will it print? First sum 0 plus sum. First what? 0 plus 1. Sum will become 1. Then it will print what? 0. It prints 0. Okay, then what will do? T of 0 term will become T of 1 term. So we need to find this. After that, this to add को लेटा, ठीक है? This to add ये मिलेगा. उसके बाद इन दोनों को ऐड करके तो ये मिलेगा. तो ये तो t0 टर्म था और t1 टर्म था. अब इस टर्म हो जाएगा t1 और ये t0 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? ये t1 हो जाएगा और ये t0 हो जाएगा. तो t0 क्या हो जाएगा? t1 टर्म हो जाएगा. और t1 टर्म क्या होगा? जो सम निकाला था इन दोनों का, ये तो ये सम हो जाएगा t1 टर्म, ठीक है? बस ऐसे रिपीट होना जाएगा. ओके, सपोज फाइंड ये 0 1 1 2 3. This is default. We get this by adding. Okay, so this was t of 0 term. This is t of 1 term. Now, this is the sum. Okay, now what will happen if we do this? Now this to sum, we will get this. So this sum becomes what? Term 1. And this term 1 what becomes? It becomes term 0. So again term 1 plus term 0, we get the sum. This becomes s. Okay, after that, doing these two sums, we get this two, we get this. So this is the sum. So this becomes t1 term and this becomes t0 term again. So if we add this, then it will become 3s. Then again this two, if we add, we will get 5. So this become what? 0 term, and this become 1 term. Sum becomes, okay, like this way. Okay, now we find in the visual code. We'll do it very easy. Integer n, enter the number of terms. I will write enter the number of terms. After that, I will take the input. Okay, then I will start a for loop. Integer I, that will be initialized to 1. I will end up till the number input by the user. Then I plus plus. Okay, what we will do? First, we have done, you can see here, first sum is equal to t0 plus ti, then return t0 t. So first we need to initialize integer t of 0 term is equal to 0, comma t of 1 term is equal to 1, comma sum is 0. Okay, the sum is equal to t of 0 plus t of 1, then t of 0 term, we will print it. After that, we will take t of 0 term is equal to t of 1 term, then t of 1 term will become the sum, and this is the result. We will run it. We need to find the first 5 terms. If we put enter, we will find 0 1 2 3, 1 1 2 3. I will give an enter so that this becomes given 10 terms, I have got it. Suppose I need to find first 20 terms, then you can see 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 13, 21, oh, bogus, all things. Okay, so you have understood what I've done. Okay, first T0 term I take, T1 at term I take, sum is what T0 plus T1 at term. उसके बाद T0 टर्म को प्रिंट करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। T0 टर्म T1 हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट इटरेट पे, और T1 टर्म सम हो जाएगा, इटरेट होगा, ठीक है। वेरी इजी, ओके, वेरी वेरी इजी। सो यू मस्ट सी एंड फॉलो ऑन, ठीक है। T0 प्रिंट होगा लाइक ऐसे, 0 हुआ, ऐड हुआ, T0 T1 हुआ, T0 निकल गया, पहले 0 निकल गया, 1 निकल गया, 2 निकल गया, प्रिंट हो गया, 3 हो गया, 5 हो गया, ऐसे, ठीक है। Fibonacci series. So we have done this problem. This is a very important problem. Okay, many times repeated in exams. Okay, school exams or university exams. You will find this question, and very important. This and previous we have done the sum. Okay, I want to give you a homework. Okay, a homework that I will give to you. I am giving you this problem homework. C++ program to find the sum of series up to n terms where x is an integer entered by the user. The sum is 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 1 plus dot 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 dot. So to try to solve, I will solve it in the next video. Thank you, very thank you.